YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Canon MG-6320. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality or just a certain color isn't printing, such as this one, the black isn't printing, or you have an overall printer quality issue, this is a method that you can use that is going to go ahead and help you clean out the print head and get you back to your normal print quality. Now, as you can see here, I have kind of already taken everything apart. This is as far as you need to go to be able to clean it. And now if you were running low on ink, the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is stop the video, go down in the description below. There's going to be a link to some brand new ink for this printer. So make this project contingent on this new ink. Now after that, of course, once your ink is out, you can see your print head here, and you're going to want to go ahead and place a paper towel right under it. Paper towel just like this. Okay, you can kind of see it right there on the side. Get it directly under. Okay, so you're going to want to have a syringe just like this, and what you're going to do is you're going to get some print head cleaning solution. Now this syringe and the cleaning solution, there's also going to be a link for this in the description below, and it's a very easy to use syringe, very inexpensive. You can get it quickly and use the proper solution. What you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to have to use two hands, and actually with the kit it's going to give you some connectors to be able to put them right on the nozzle, and you can go ahead and use your syringe to push down the cleaning solution. Okay, so with one hand you go ahead and put in your piece. Now if for whatever reason you buy another type of cut and it doesn't have those pieces, make sure you buy those pieces, the ones that fit right over these nozzles, and it's going to make it a lot easier. If not, you're going to have to use two hands to kind of get in there, and it's going to be more difficult. It's really all there is to it. You just make sure that once you're done cleaning it, you dry everything down in there. Make sure these connectors here don't get wet, and also you can shut it off when you're doing this. I leave it on usually because I do it a lot, but shut yours off and hold this in place, your print head in place. So that's really all there is to it. It's very simple. I highly recommend anyone do it. Again, there's a lot of resources down in the description below. I will also leave a link to a new version of this printer just in case that this process does not work, and something that another printer that uses similar ink. So I'm leaving. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.